kind of walking through what activity streams are and how they interact with your CRM?
Yeah, activity streams is one of those things that people forget about a lot. So what activity streams really is trying to do is say, hey, anytime that there's things happening within a particular record, trying to capture that. That's just part of it though. The other things that activity streams allows you to do as well is actually be as a more of a communication type of platform. So you can see here, if I'm looking at Spindle Broadcast, you can see that there's been some things that it's been linked to or updated that just are just like actions and activity that's happened within the specific record. But again, this can be communicative. So if I say, well, this was linked to EMEA Business Center, I can make a comment on that one specifically and start saying, you know, at Max. It's going to pull up Max's user. Why was this linked? And then Max is going to get a notification on that, and he can reply back and have that as a communication thread. But I don't have to do that just on one of these particular actions or activities that happen. I can go ahead and do the same thing here. Again, start typing out @ will give me the list of users. Then if I want to actually try and get a particular record, I can do things like hashtags as well that would get picked up. So it's one of those things that people forget about a lot. There are some catches with this. Again, if you have a lot of data, you sometimes don't necessarily want to have activity stream enabled just because it's capturing a lot of different data and can quickly grow your database size. So it's kind of usually depending on the customer scenario, whether it's something that's very useful to actually be using and have turned on, or to kind of scale it back and limit how much it's trying to capture. Again, just because from a best practice standpoint, it can get very large in the back end and really grow your database size and can affect performance at some point.